They say when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. In my case, when my friend David rolls up to my house with a whole bag full of Meyer Lemons off the tree in his yard, because David is a fellow realtor friend of mine, and he sold this house 5 years ago that had a producing lemon tree, and they let him have it because as realtors, sometimes we get presents. And if you're wondering what that has to do with my kitchen, my rules, when David brought me a whole bag of lemons, you know what I wanted to make? Chick-fil-a lemonade, of course, even though I don't want to go to the Chick-fil-A and pay for it, and I don't want all the chemicals. So we're gonna make a 3-ingredient amazing lemonade that you can make at home in 2 seconds flat, or maybe 2 minutes, who knows, as long as you have lemons and some Dixie crystal sugar and some water. Some people use filtered and fancy water. I will be using tap water for the minerals, and also because our water is on a well, and so we're good. And if you're wondering about the set here, we are having the beach version of My Kitchen, My Rules, because isn't lemonade the perfect drink at the beach? Yes, it is. All year round. It's amazing. For the record, if you're wondering about these lemons, these are Meyer Lemons. Meyer Lemons are smoother and a little bit more orange than the regular lemons you put in your cocktails, and they're also just a wee tiny bit sweeter, so they're perfect for lemonade. So it is legit gonna taste like the Chick-fil-A version. You need 8 Meyer Lemons, 1 cup of sugar, and then 7 cups of water makes 8 cups of lemonade. Or you can always change the sugar in the water to make it the strength that you like. This is the juicer we're going to use because it's what they had over at the Lowe's Foods. And if you don't know, when you cut your lemons for one like this, it looks like it would go in this way. That's wrong, friends. Put it to where the juice is going to come out the little holes. And then you're just going to squeeze it right into your container. And I know that sound is pretty dreadful, but here we are. So mine are the perfect amount of juiciness. If yours aren't quite that juicy, you can roll them around in the palm of your hand, or you can roll them around on the countertop to loosen up the juice. And then it will be just that easy to get the juice out. Also, if you happen to have a lemon that's got seeds that are the wrong size, if they come through those little holes, just get you a little piece of cheesecloth or a sieve and get that back out of there, unless you like to drink lemon seeds, in which case you're strange, but that means we could probably be friends. But this is My Kitchen, My Rules. I'm not gonna be drinking any seeds today, but we are gonna get this amazing juice right here. And I will tell you that this is, I'll go catch him in a minute. This is a good drink at any time for anybody in the family. And when you're in a really bad, grumpy mood, you should make some lemonade because it'll make you happy again. My camera person would agree right here because the camera person had to step in for the tripod today. And you can guess in the comments below which person in my family is running my camera today. And if you are correct, you might just win a prize. Just like if you really want to get a bag of Dixie crystal sugar and figure out why in the world I love it so much, and not just because my grandmothers loved it, you just put in the comments, Lee Brown, I need some Dixie crystals, and then we'll message you back, get your address, and get you some Dixie crystal sugar, which, by the way, I should mention, if your grocery store does not carry Dixie crystals, you should stalk out and firmly demand that they carry it, because if you buy some off-brand sugar, you'll be so sad, and that is no way to live. Dixie Crystals, by the way, has been around since 1917. It's the only sugar I use. And if my husband ever brings home something besides Dixie Crystals, it turns into a very big conversation. All right, so we have 8 lemons worth right there. We're gonna put in a cup of sugar-ish. I've got a little bit less than a cup just because I don't like it to be super duper sweet. And then we're gonna add in approximately 7 cups of water, which will be ish, however much more I put in the container to suit my taste and to suit what my family likes, because I make it so they have to like what I make. And then all I gotta do is stir it up. Look at that. This video is so short and so easy, and now you have made a perfect replica to Chick-fil-A lemonade. And there you go. Fresh lemonade, made at your house, no preservatives, no crazy chemicals, and a happy family. Subscribe for more and hit the bell. I'll see you next time.